Hi guys, welcome back to another video. So today I'm going to be doing kind of another spa-inspired makeup look. Hi guys, welcome back to another video. So today I'm going to be doing kind of another fall makeup look, I guess. It's going to be like a burgundy, maroon type look. I don't really know. Let's just get into it. Okay, so today I'm going to use the Morphe 35O palette because I feel like this is another really popular eyeshadow palette that everyone has. The first shade I'm going to use is this shade down there. It's just a matte kind of burgundy brownish color, and I'm going to use that as a transition shade with this big fluffy brush. Okay, so now that that color is all blended out, I'm going to be taking this kind of reddy orange shade next and using that as my transition shade, and I'm going to be putting that on my lid as well. Okay, so this is how the eye looks so far. So I think what I'm going to do is just take this satin shade right down there. And like, I don't know if I want to put that on the inner corner or just like on my eyelid. Okay, you literally can't even see that, so that's really good and fresh. Okay, because you can't really see this shade, I'm also going to take some of this sparkly shade down there. I'm going to go ahead and do the other eye off camera, and then I'll get back to you guys. Okay, so I just finished the other eye off camera. What I'm going to do now to both of the eyes, I'm going to take the Tarte Shape Tape, and I'm just going to take this on this like flat concealer brush, and I think I'm just going to like carve out like a wing. Okay, so I ordered Dodo lashes. I'm really excited. I ordered them like a week ago, and they should be here like either tomorrow. I have a code with them. If you guys want to use it, you can use my code BEAUTYBYTAL. There's no underscore, it's just BEAUTYBYTAL. So I'm really excited because I've been wanting to try them for a while now, and yeah. Next week, I think I'm gonna do like a get ready with me. I don't know if I already said this in one of my videos, but at my school we have this thing called Pink Day, and it's like for Breast Cancer Awareness Month, and there's like a football game at our school, but our school goes like really full out for it. I want to like practice the makeup that I'm gonna wear for that day. I thought, you know what, like let's just film it and like make a video out of it, right? Also, I wanted to dye my hair pink. So okay, the only thing is I'm kind of scared because I just got my highlights and I don't want to ruin them, but the dye that I'm looking at is the L'Oreal Colorista one, and that washes out apparently in like 5 washes. But like, I've seen videos and like I know people who have like used it and it hasn't come out, but other people are like, oh yeah, like I used it, it came out like so quickly. So I don't know, like I feel like I should kind of just go for it and do it, but I'm kind of scared, and like I don't think it'll like ruin my highlights. I'm just scared that it's not gonna come out. Okay, so this is the finished look. I just went ahead and finished my face makeup off camera and did my lashes. I'm using the Shimmery lashes in the style Nubia. And I also just put on some of the Fenty lip gloss. Also, it's like Thanksgiving weekend now for Canadians, so happy Thanksgiving, everyone. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching this video. Make sure to subscribe and like, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.